Hi everyone, my name is Angie, and I'm just realizing that I have two classes this semester. I've been pretty busy, I guess. I finished my first field placement just a couple weeks ago, and my current position right now, I work as a substance abuse counselor for women and children. Um, my experience in working with families have been recently it's been doing family weeks with the families of the girls that are in treatment. I also have with working with the women and their children. Their children also live here with the moms and everything. Um, so before that, I would just do individual sessions. I used to work in outpatient and a 30-day treatment program, but and this program is more long term. So I work with them for quite a while, so we do more than one family session. So that's kind of cool because I get a really big outlook of what that's gonna look like for them when they do complete treatment. Um, Family structure I was raised in, I ended up being adopted by my grandma and grandpa, so I call them mom and dad. My biological mom went into the military, and at that time, she didn't. They required that you have to um, give up like guardianship, especially since she was traveling around. I don't know who my real father is. Um, and then so my aunts and uncles became my brothers and sisters. And that's just how I was raised. That's really honestly, how much I know. That's really all I know. So, the role that I played in my family, um, I ended up being the baby. I went from being the only child to, I was the baby, so I was pretty spoiled because I was the first grandchild, but also the last. Um, I don't know if I have really any questions regarding family work. Um, Hopefully, just learn to be able to do more family work and really understand more of the process. So, thanks everybody. Sorry, I'm really late on this.